Hey there, BOJ-E-BIKERS. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting in store for you, the brand new Mokwheel Obsidian. This sleek, full suspension powerhouse is about to change the way you tackle adventure, and we can't wait to share it with you. Stay tuned as we guide you along the assembly process. Use Allen wrench to remove stem bolts. Insert and align your handlebars. Reinstall stem bolts using a star pattern. For the love of God, like the video! Prepare your display for installation by removing the bolts. Install display and tighten bolts. Loosen these nuts to end of axle so you can install wheel. Use wrench and tighten axle nuts. Power up your pedals, but first grease them. Make sure you locate the left and right indicators so you install your pedals on the correct side. Take your pedal wrench and reverse pedal to tighten fully. Insert kickstand bolts through kickstand into frame and tighten. Make sure you double check your rotor bolts to ensure proper torque. Check your crank arm bolts to ensure proper torque. Shift up and down all gears multiple times to ensure proper shifting. Install fenders using mounts and wire struts. If you encounter any mounting problems, let us know and we'll give you some advice. If you like our content, please like and subscribe. If you have any video ideas, let us know in the comments. We're on a journey to 4 million subscribers. Act fast. We only have 3,999,975 to go. Take a moment to admire your new ride. The first thing you'll notice is the full suspension feature provided by the air rear shock. Using air springs and the latest dampening control technology to smooth out your off-road adventures, this is the prime standout compared to the flagship Mokwheel Basalt. The other standout is the 1,000-watt power rating on the rear hub motor, which boasts 90 Nm of torque. The Mokwheel Obsidian is packed with impressive features that make it stand out. 8-speed Shimano drivetrain. The torque sensing rear hub is a familiar feature in the Mokwheel lineup. Hydraulic disc brakes to handle unexpected stops and steep hills. 130mm adjustable suspension fork. 60 to 80 miles of advertised range on the 20 amp hour battery is more than most can handle in a single ride. 4-inch wide knobby tires. And a 2-year warranty from a proven brand. Thanks for watching us today. If you're excited about more e-bike action, hit us up at BOJ-E-BIKES on the social medias or visit our website at BOJ-E-BIKES.com. Give us a call at 630-777-4220 or come on down to our shop at 26 North Island Avenue in Batavia, Illinois. BOJ-E out.